Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Ignore the state of me here, with a messy look. We made a new purchase. Hamza's here now to take me to pick it up, so let's go and have a look. Right, picked it up. There she is. It has got a facelift bumper, obviously, as you can see, with the aerodynamic duct tape. Bonnet's knackered. A rusty wing. Damaged door. Driver's window doesn't open. Back window doesn't open off that one. Radio doesn't work. Missing a rear view mirror. Plenty to do. Dent there. Another dent there. Obviously it's got the sporty extra 10 bhp carbon fibre badge. Some delights keyed it. Another damaged rusty wing. Look at this further. It's definitely been damaged before because that's a load of filler. Let's see what's lurking behind the duct tape. Well, that's a bit of relief, that. Because the bumper's still there. I thought it was just a big hole. That could probably be plastic welded, could it? No grill. Belting. One of the things that wasn't working is the radio. Well, that might be a quick fix. It's got no power going to it then. Oh, that's good, isn't it? All just falls apart. Let me just stick you guys down. Oh, it don't fucking work, so it was plugged in. All been slipped. That's the aerial. Let's see, look over here. It's clearly had a few radios in it in the past. Got that many adapters. Let's just try this one. This one. Is there a power one? That's radio, isn't it? What I'm going to do is, I've not got all my tools with me because I've just come out to piss about with it for a minute. But clearly it wasn't plugged in, so that's why it's not going to work. So I'll have to get the multimeter, find out what's live and what all these fuckers are. And then hopefully get it sorted. Right, so I've slightly figured it out. The loose ones went into there and then into the back of here. But I've no idea what all this shit is that's all chopped. So I'll have to figure all that out. Why would you just rip it out? Unless they're trying to nick it at auction or some shit. But it's on. Does it work on here? No, that doesn't do no. That's not connected then. SD, USB, radio. I think during December. Lovely. Kind of one problem solved, isn't it? Oh, someone's dog. Does that mean it's got an SD in it? It's got someone's dog in it. Right, so that's one job ticked off. Radio half works. It needs aerial sorting out. It's not simple enough. Does it go off with the ignition? No. And that's right. Oh, there. I'm guessing it's not going to come on then. Need fuel for the service. Alright, so that's a bit of a shit one. Oh, Audi badger. Alright, well you posh. Go put it work. Oh, that's fucking good. Oh well, it's got a bit of memory I suppose. Forgot to mention as well when I did the walk round, it's got the Mercedes mats. Oh yeah. Whoop, whoop. Right, so we're 3 days on, and unfortunately the radio's drained the battery. So that was obviously why it was unplugged. So I'm gonna have to unplug it, charge the battery, and then rewire it to a ignition live. See if that works. So battery's charged and we're running, and I reckon the reason why it's draining is because, well, one, the wires are sellotapes and they're an absolute mess, but the that's obviously 12 volts, and then this is your ignition live, I believe. It looks like that one is obviously not attached. It must have popped out the trusty sellotape. So I'll strip that down, give that a go, and maybe we're in with a winner. Right, we've got front window doesn't work, back window, passenger one does, but then doesn't go back up. The wind mirrors work on it. Child lock works on it, or window lock. It's literally just these 3 buttons. Oh, something happened there. Something's happening. Let's get it off and have a look, eh? Well, this is the first door card that I've taken off that's been held together with 6-inch Phillips screws. So it's definitely been botched together, or maybe that's how Audi does it standard, who knows. Right, well that was a ball ache. Never known to fucking fully strip a door car off the armrest just to get the window switch out. But I've unplugged it and it looks, I don't know if you can pick it up, either corroded. So hopefully it's not this, and it is actually the switch itself, but we'll get a new one on, clean that up, see if it works. If not, we'll get a new one on. Sweet. I did also notice that the bonnet, I was about to forget the bonnet, get the state of that windscreen fitting. The bonnet is it's not got a strut to hold it in place, so get it up. So it should have a strut here, and then up here. So I've got one off and see if it fits. Right, one of the only parts that's come from Fleabay, bonnet strut. Let's get that on. Still waiting for the window switch. Oh, professional. There you go, that's brand new. Now we can have a proper look under here without having to hold the bonnet. So we're going to need a new scuttle panel definitely at the back. We need to replace this plastic bit here. This is what secures the bumper and the light. You can see that's all snapped down there. Bumper's loose, light's loose. So we need to sort that. And need a little cover here. Everything for some reason is held in by what looks like little self-tappers. Right guys, I think that's going to be it for today's video. We've not really got much done. We thought we had the radio done. That's now out, hanging out again. But at least it's not draining the battery now. We've got the bonnet strut done. So that's one thing. And we'll wait for a window switch. So we'll leave it there. At least you've seen the car now. And next week we'll start stripping down the front end and hopefully get it sorted. Keep on living the dream.